Hi, in this video we are going to be working on solving a hard SQL problem. So let's begin. Okay, first of all, we need to do the following, which is going to sqlpractice.com. This is the website where we can practice our SQL skills. Then we need to select hospital.tv, and after that we need to click on view all questions, select difficulty hard, and show the first one. Okay, so this is the problem we'll be solving. And let's first get rid of this. And now let's read the question to know what we need to do. So it says, show all of the patients grouped into weight groups. Show the total amount of patients in each weight group. Order the list by the weight group descending. For example, if they weigh 100 to 109, they are placed in the 100 weight group. 110 to 119 equals 110 weight group, etc. Okay, so before trying to understand the question, let's see what we have, what information we have. So we have a table, which is the patients table, with information about patients inside a hospital. We have the expected output. So you can see here, there are two columns, patients in group and weight group. Also, if we click on get hint again, we get some keywords we can use. For example, select, count, order by, group by, etc. And if we click on get hint again, we can see a portion of the solution. So this is a line of code just to give us an idea on how to solve this problem. Okay, but if we want to do it by ourselves, let's first try to understand the problem. So the problem, I would read it and break it down step by step. So it says, show all of the patients grouped into weight groups. So we need to divide the patients into different weight categories. Then it says, show the total amount of patients in each weight group. So there are weight categories, and we need to specify how many patients are in each category. So for example, well, before that it says order the list by the weight group descending. Okay, so for example, if we have patients weighing from, I don't know, 100 kilo, like it says here, from 100 to 109, they are placed in the 100 kilogram group or category. Or for example, if they are from, I don't know, 80 to 89 kilos, they are from the 80 kilo category, and etc. And then we need to order the list by the weight group descending. So first goes the people with the most weight, and then it drops down the in descending order. So let's do that. Okay, so first I need to do select, and I need to select, okay, I need to count. I will count everything because I want to show the total amount of patients in each weight group. So I'm going to count everything as patients, oops, count. Okay, then I need to select also the weight category. So for this, I'm going to do okay. Okay, so to show the groups, I need to first, okay, so for example, let's see the table. So here we can see um, people with weight of 65, 76, 106, 104, 10, etc. But we only want to show, for example, only the weight group. So 0, 10, 20, 40, 50, like it says here. We only want to show that. So in order to do that, we need um, to make something so that we know for every patient where they belong to. So for example, this patient, the patient number one, its weight is 65 and he or she belongs to the 60-kilogram category. Okay, we understand that. So we need to turn 65 to 60. Okay, so to do that, we need to divide the weight by 10. So that's going to give us 6.5 in this case. And then I need to multiply that by 10 as well. So it's going to give us 65 again. But if I round this, for example, if I round this and I don't specify how many decimals, it's going to cut down to the decimal. So for example, yeah, so for example, let's say select everything and the weight as, let's say, new weight. New weight from patients. Okay, if I run this, see that now I have the weight and the new weight, which is the weight category. Okay, let's change this. Okay, so for example, at the beginning it was 6.5, okay, without rounding. Oops. Okay, if I did this, it would have been 6.5, but because we are dealing with integers and not float values, so you can see here, the weight is an integer, so it's rounding already. But just to make sure, because if we do this, it's rounding back to like without decimals, but just to make sure, we are putting round as well. And instead of selecting everything, we're just selecting the count of everything. And then we need to group by, and this was as patients count. We want to group by that. So as you can see, the person with the weight 65 belongs to the 60 weight category. The person or the patient with the weight 76 belongs to the weight category of 70, and so on. So if I run this, aggregate functions are not allowed in the group by clause. Oh. Okay, so maybe we don't have to group by that, but okay, by weight category. You have to group, yeah. Okay, yeah, that was my mistake. We need to group by this weight category. and we want to, because we want to count how many people are in the, I don't know, 100 weight category, 90 kilograms weight category, etc. So if I just do this group by weight category, let me just copy and paste this. Oops. And also I need to order by weight category descending. Okay, so now we have finished our SQL problem. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.